I wanted to make sure that we got this straight. So we have 34 likes, 33 follows. This is where we're starting at the beginning of our campaign with Facebook ads. And this is, you can see, it's March 20th at 11:45 p.m. All right, next up is to create an ad to bring in people to the page. So we're going to go ahead and click create. We want to go to a guided create. Let's try the guided creation. This is what we want. So when you're starting, make sure you go to guided creation. It gives you the full options. Otherwise, they're just going to automatically choose things for you, and that's not what you want. Okay, so we want engagement, page likes. We'll call this Facebook page likes, $5 per day. Continue. Select the Facebook page. It's financial independence now. Audience. We want to go with US and Canada again. Actually, we could even go with the UK. Since we're doing an older crowd. Ireland. Oh, we're going to go that way. How about Scotland? Netherlands. Like I said, I want to target older people. So let's start at 50. And drop this down to 62. English. And then we'll get into detailed targeting. How about small business? Let's go with small business owners. Okay, let's see if they give us some suggestions. Self-employed is good. Small business owner we already got. Owner and founder. Head of marketing. Okay, so in this case, they're recommending doing an automatic placements. And for the budget, I'm recommending to go ahead and do a start and end date. So we'll start today. End date will be, let's go, okay, let's make that the 30th. Continue. We want to do a single image 1080 by, they want it square. Okay. All right, we're going to go to emojipedia.com. All sorts of tidbits today we're getting, huh? We want the smileys. And since we're talking about hanging out, actually, I'm going to go with this guy. A cowboy hat face, since I do like to wear hats. Copy. Paste. So the whole idea of this likes campaign is to increase your community and your audience. And then in Facebook's eyes, it shows that you're more serious about using their platform for advertising and stuff. So that is what we're doing. We'll probably run this for the full 9 days for $45. See what we can do. It says Facebook prefers add images with little or no text unless you qualify for an exception. Change your image before placing your order. So they're not going to like that, huh? Well, I guess I could always put my mug there. All right, we got rid of the warning. Let's go ahead and run it. All right, so they're both in review. Multiple items, one campaign, one ad set were published. Oh, so maybe we need to hit the refresh button. Nope, according to this, you're still in review. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. My plan is to, I'd say 7 days, make another video with the results of both of these campaigns. And so, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like what you see here. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments below. And we're on our way to getting that $10,000 a month. We'll see you in the next one.